appears we're live. I have no way of knowing. It's the first time I've ever done this, so who knows? Let's check on the phone. Maybe we'll be able to see it. Fantastic. Well, at least we're on YouTube. Give myself a like. Wash. Okay, so infinite loop. Okay. So welcome to the first ever stream of Coconuts and Candles. Today we will be trading the GER40 morning session. It's currently 6:30 in the morning, UK time. Going to put some lines on the charts. Got the EMAs on the 20, the 50 and the 200. Starting in the 1 hour time frame, working back, also having a look at the 4 and the daily. It's always important. We've had a strong trend up at the beginning of this year, with some good momentum. We're just looking to catch what we can. We're not looking to work against the market, we're looking to work with it. That's a battle I do not want to take. Got the Winston mug. Pooch sitting over there, stinking up the place as usual. Probably got one viewer, welcome viewer. It's the first ever stream, so apologies if it's a bit haphazard. So this is a brand new £70,000, $100,000 account with FTMO. We are looking to make 10% over the next week in the best case scenario, 2 weeks at the worst. Hopefully we won't blow the account day one, which would be hilarious. Previously had an account, did blow it. But pretty confident with the strategies that we got going on now. Did a couple of years back testing, and hopefully we can make something happen. So let's have a look. So again, 20, 50, 200 EMA. We've been respecting this one for so long. On the 4 hour. Just waiting to see what happens with this first candle on the 1 hour. Had a big liquidity sweep over here on Friday. Just take it easy and see what happens. 2 viewers, wow. This is going on today. Didn't expect anyone to watch, to be fair. It's the first time I've ever done this. So let's see what happens. Let's get some key levels in here. Working off the 1 hour. So, classic support resistance, let's get a few trendies going. I am not a professional by any means. This is all a learning experience for myself as well. Hopefully one day this will become second nature. A little bit rusty, haven't been doing much trading the past year, but I am biting the bullet. The plan is to be able to leave what I'm doing currently and move to Thailand and start a new life in the sunshine. Potentially this year, if things go well. If not, further down the line. I think, yeah, that looks good enough. So currently respecting that line. Let's break it down a little bit here. Yeah, so nothing going on at the moment. Just got to sit and wait. Any questions? Happy to answer if you want to bosh something in the chat. Currently streaming across Kick, Twitch, YouTube. X didn't work for some reason. I think I need to be verified on there. And the old TikTokers isn't working either. So let's look at the old Bitcoin. Don't usually trade Bitcoin just through lack of experience, but seems to be a lot more stable chart-wise than it used to be back in the day. So they've had a nice breakout there. I wonder if they're going to push up to the all-time highs. That'd be a good move. However, a lot going on in the world today. Seems Iran is on the brink of collapse. This government's falling all over the shop. 2026. Let's go. So it seems that we have been bullish so far this year. We've respected the lines, which is always good. Probably going to be looking for buys unless we make some sort of drastic breakout to the download with a retest. I don't really see that happening unless there's some huge liquidity sweep, which we don't want to get caught in. But yeah, we just got to wait and see what happens. Morning coffee. Very important. Third cup in the last hour. Sure, you're allowed to vape on stream. I'm going to get downgraded. So let's see. Yeah, so trading isn't always exciting. I mean, I like to get in and out as quickly as possible. You know, I don't really want to be sat here all day. Other things to do and all. Just want to take what it will give me and see you later. The longer you stay in, you know, you could make some, but it's gambling at the end of the day. It's a risk. The longer you stay with your risk on the board, can be taken away, especially world events. There's no crazy news from what I Forex Factory. Let's have a look. Let's see. Calendar. Today. So, nothing in the orange, nothing in the red. Anything, whatever that is, the Centix Investor Conference. I don't pretend to know what that means. Big stuff on USD tomorrow, CPI, core CPI. It's going to be a lot of full port traders getting liquidated tomorrow. That's not what we want to do. Wednesday again, big USD news. See how the markets react to all this. Plus, global tensions. Wow, it's actually quite a big week for news. Pound's got some stuff on Thursday. The plan is to stream at least 4 times a week. I don't have a set calendar as yet at the moment. But hopefully we'll get some sort of schedule in place moving forward. This life's a bit crazy at the moment. Trillion. Boss moves. Okay. So we're still respecting this level. Nice engulfing candle there. 15. Yeah, I think we have a bullish day. Bulls in the chat, if there's anyone there. Just realised I don't have a microphone. I'm just using the webcam. I'm going to need to remedy that at some point. Also, camera is yet. Had Buddy Oscar essentially just donate me this camera. Grand cost of £5. So at least you can see me for whatever that's worth. Okay, let's get that card in the background. Too strong. We break above here, you know, I'd be very surprised if we don't test Friday's high. I mean, we've already had a little wick down today. Yeah, there's always that temptation to jump in. Always that temptation. But we'll try and stick to the strategy. Going to be working with 25 lots, potentially broken down into 15 and 10. So put them on at around the same time. And it'd be good to leave runners with break-evens if we get the opportunity. Obviously take out what we can with one of the lots. Go from there. As you can probably tell, I'm not fully up to date with the whole trading lingo. Don't follow any specific guru strategy, anything like that. Just kind of do my own thing. Hopefully for the best. It's a bold strategy. Let's see if it pays off. See if my buddy Tommy is. Gee, viewers. Welcome, welcome. Everybody's welcome. So I've got the same name across all the platforms, just apart from X, which I haven't posted anything on yet. So X is, I think it's coconuts.candles, or just coconuts candles without the dot. Don't even know. Everything else, it's coconuts and candles all together. If you search me. Yeah, so I recently went to Thailand for about a month, from mid-November to mid-December, and I realised that living in the UK, in the rain, heavily taxed environment, I'm just all round a bit wet at the moment. Politics is horrendous. Social cohesion dwindling. Not for me. So I'm taking steps, which includes this channel and the trading, to be able to make a remote living. A remote living that doesn't involve being stuck to a computer for 8-10 hours a day. Sales and all that kind of thing. I've done that for years. Not a fan in my older age, 35 now, approaching 36 next month. So, if I don't make the change now, well, at least give it a go. When? I'm not going to waste another 5 years to have that only if situation down the line. Wicking off this level. Could we take an entry early? So if we break this level here, we're close to the upside. Might have to take that bet. Can you take that bet? Maybe. I wouldn't recommend copy trading though at this stage. This is a new strategy that has been back tested. However, I don't want to be responsible for any of you guys losing money. Okay, so a little plan here. So we are approaching 7 o'clock AM UK time. If we can get this 1 hour candle to close above these wicks here, I'm going to foresee a definite test of Friday's high. So it's a nice little, that can be a nice little win here. And further than that, if we break the high, have a retest, and then continue up, which we did all last week. Would I expect it to change? Potentially. I mean, anything can happen. It's trading. But like I said, I want to move with the markets, not against it. I am not a big fish. I am not a hedge fund dumping billions into moves. So let's see what happens here. I'm on the 50 now, so on the 15 we're heading up. Excuse me a second, just gotta let my dog out. He needs shit. There you go. see my beautiful chair. It's my lucky chair. 7 years now. Okay, when I get funded, I'll replace it. But until then, no chair for me. Okay, so this is looking pretty good. If we can get a break above these levels here. However, we are rejecting. So current bias is bullish, breaks below these EMAs here and definitely below this one. If we have closes over here, I think we'll be looking for a big retest. Down, for a bounce. Well, hopefully for the markets it stops around here, but you never know. Yeah, this is looking... I like this. It's an engulfing candle here as well. Maybe I should have already taken the trade, but we'll wait for the 1 hour. We'll stick to the strat. Let's have a look here. We'll be doing 50s. We'll do some 12.5s if we need to jump in. So if we break above, let's have a look on the 5 minute. Let's see what that's going to do. If it's, we've rejected. It's rejecting the area. Just need to be careful. So ideally you want to be 0.5 risk, 1% risk maximum. Yeah, look, we just boshed off here. But we're going to have to open. See what happens with that candle. So if we have a massive push with this 5 minute candle here, with an hourly close above this level, we'll be looking for some buys. Definitely to retest the Friday's high and beyond. But the liquidity is not. Look at this. Some people had a bad day there. Scooped them all up. Scooped them. So just stress management, coffee and nicotine. Keep sharp. Let's have a look. Alright. The last 3 minutes of the 1 hour candle is approaching. Let's see if we can get a push up. We can have so if we take a trade here, our stops will be below this level here. The dog is pestering me. What do you want? No. On stream. Yes. yourself talking to your dog. Obviously they have no idea what you're saying, so essentially you're just talking to yourself, which I'm probably doing now anyway. Okay, so this looks like a nice little push here. We're going to have some, you know what, we're in, we are in. Let's see if we can get this push here. So, this is going to be closing, unless there's some huge rejection. Okay, stop loss is important. Okay, look, we're going to do 1% risk, just in case. 1% risk only, people. So my strategy is, what I back tested was basically this 1 hour candle, whether it closes bullish or bearish on this hour, is take a trade matching that candle if, only if, key levels, i.e. this level here, this level, this trend line here, are respected. This worries me here because, you know, we could go for another sweeper, but, you know, nothing's a given. We'll see. Well, cheers. First ever trade on stream. Let's see what happens. See if we start as we wish to go on. Yeah, see we're having rejections, but let's see. This is the moment of truth now. See if we can bosh up. Bosh. Break the highs. As long as we don't get any closes below this level, I'm going to stay in the trade. Yeah, I mean, should be able to push up a little bit here. I'm only in a 12.5 lot. You know, I want to keep it kosher for the first stream. Too crazy. Just gonna bring this up as well. Less risk is always good. So if we're here 1-to-1, let's see what this is. Yeah. See if we can 420. There we go, 1-to-1 trade there. Let's see if we can get it. You know, I'm not going to be like a lot of these guys and you know, jump around on stream like a crazy animal and get super excited about everything. Ooh, rejection. Ouch. That is a rejection. So this could be, so basically we're either going to get swept or we're going to continue up. Luck of the draw. Luck of the draw. We didn't break above here. I'm not getting any clean breaks. This isn't looking great, but we shall see. We shall see. Yeah, I mean, it's looking strong overall. Currently around break even at the moment. Let's see what occurs. It's nice if we get the 5 minute close above these levels here. Could be a good indication. Yeah, the volume's definitely spiking. The reason I picked GER40 and US 100 is because the likelihood of my strategy working out had a high probability rate with these two particular pairs. Gold, potentially it would work, however, risk at the moment with gold is off the charts, so stay away from that. US 500, you don't get the big sweeping moves that we're looking for. So we've gone into profit, which is good, but it's very, very early doors. So this is going to be a nice, by the looks of things, unless we get a huge rejection, we get a nice 5 minute close above the resistance. Maybe a retest down, and let's go up, or we're just going to keep on rolling. It would be lovely if we get a nice close above Friday's high. Going to be a good bullish day. Good bullish day. What do you think, Mason? So this is my actual dog. This is what he looks like, and he is currently sat giving me the eye. He always wants something. So this is working out so far. Streaming, however, it's the first time streaming with anything ever. I'm not even sure if it's working across all the platforms. I know it's live on YouTube. I can't see if anyone's chatting with me. Welcome to the chat room. Interesting. These are all things I'm going to have to look at. It's all new to me, but it's part of the fun. The learning adventure, trading, streaming, life. Let's go. Currently up 100. We are looking for at least 7. Oh, so I better get rid of that. Get rid of that. You know, I'm happy if I rest 0.5%. If I make 0.5%, that's that. You know, that's a good day. from what I've learned from the past with myself, watching numerous other people, is consistency is key. Risk management, constant risk management, is supposedly the pathway to success. Yeah, so this is working out so far. But again, this could just be one big push to the upside to wick up and then come crashing down. Which is why we will try and manage our stop moving up and then to break even. Hey look, if you're in a trade and it runs, excellent. It hits break even, you haven't lost anything, you haven't gained anything, it's still a good day. Bad days are when you lose. The key is to lose as little as possible. Confucius say. A nice dump to the upside would be great. Got no real wick. Let's have a look here. That's the 5 saying. So the 5 is strong bullish. But we're going to start meeting problems over here. About 170. You know, 350 is 0.5% on the account. You know, it's not the worst thing in the world if we were to take that. Need to make 10% first stage of the eval, and then provided that goes okay, we have to do a 5%, and then we get the account. Previously, past similar accounts, past ones, with a similar account, absolutely flew through the evaluation stages. But then when it went live, all fell apart. Got too big for me boots. And blew it. That, when you start seeing those numbers, pumping up, does something to your head. Does something to your head. So it's all about keeping calm and collective. Obviously we celebrate the wins and we learn from the losses. Look at this shit, look at this. This is the area here where we're going to have, this could be a retest here, bing, bing, but we shall see. We are still winning. I was expecting a bit more volume. It hasn't come in. To break this, we're going to know it's being rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, that's not a none to be snubbed. But we've respected this level. The last 3 times we've come to it. This is just wild. This is hopefully we don't get that. If we get that today, we are cooked. Well, we're not. We're only going to lose. to 1%, just over 0.6% will lose on this trade if it doesn't go the good plan, which is fine. Which is fine. Maximum risk a day, 1%. 1%. Otherwise you end up getting into a death spiral. Wicking down. See, we've got breaks on the 5 above all the lines there, which is good. We don't want to see it come and close below again. So yeah, it is wicking at the moment. But hopefully with the volume that's going to come in. The moves in the morning have been pretty epic. Look at these. To the moon. Like when it goes up, and then the retracement has been also pretty heavy. But it's been respecting this line. So if you can take your TP, 0.5%, 1%, with the move up, that's it. Get out. Don't wait around for the big retracements. Potentially other opportunities. If you miss the initial push for the retracement retest and you move back up. See, this is not great. I'm having a big wick here, but it's only the first 15 minutes. Let's see what it's saying. And it's still bullish. We're going to have the 15-minute, by the looks of things, close above the key level. So we had it with 5, now we're going to have it with the 15. I'd be very surprised if we don't move up to test Friday's high. Keep forgetting there is the clock here. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New candle. New candle. Thanks for the 2 viewers that's sticking around. Whoever you are, wherever you are. Give me a follow, TikTok, Instagram. No idea what's going on with Facebook. X, Kick, on Rumble as well. But I still haven't worked out to have a stream across everything. Yeah, I'm happy with this, how this is going so far. And I don't want to eat my words, so I have to make a funny clip of that if we get absolutely wrecked. So what we want to do, or what it looks like is happening now, going to come down, have a retest, see if it respects the levels that it just broke out of to continue up. That is what we're looking for. Currently have just over 0.5% risk at the moment. And this could be a fake out. Could be a fake out. Straight back in. Ding. So if it does flip down, what you'd expect is to come down hard, bang, depending on volume, might come back up, test, and then straight to hell. So when I started doing all this, or had the idea, I had no clue about clipping, making videos, anything. I am a deer in the headlights at this stage. So after we finish the stream today, we're going to have to put it in some sort of software and make some clips, some highlights, see if we get a win, get a loss. If we get a win today, I would be tempted to also trade the New York Open, 2:30 UK time, because the strategy applies to that as well. But this is the first time testing the strategy on a live FTMO account. I've done it with the practice ones. Seems to work. So, let's see what happens here. Retest now. Some would say it's another good opportunity to buy. However, we are currently at an acceptable risk at the moment. There's no reason to add any more. I've been caught out tons of times in the past with FOMO. You just got to not let it affect you. You got 5 days a week to trade this stuff. And if you really want to go ham, you can do crypto at the weekend. But let's see what happens here. So we want a nice, we can get a sweep here and move to the upside. $120 drawdown, just like that. Just like that. Let's see what happens. Stop loss is quite tight. It's quite close to this liquidity here. It's a good ding, ding. But we'll see. So it'd be nice if this candle bounces off of here. Okay. 175 down. Again, acceptable risk at this stage. We started with 1% risk. See, this is worrying. Look at that. Oh, wow. We could be cooked for the day. If we don't respect this here, we are going to get stopped out, which is fine. It's all a learning experience. So we pushed up here, but then with the 15-minute candle, and then it didn't follow up. It did not follow up. A lot of people talk about these fair value gaps and all these, different strategies. I'll be honest, not a clue. Not a clue. The way my brain works, I just try and follow the patterns, keep it simple, keep it sweet. I found that in the past you can overcomplicate indicators, different strategies that contradict each other. It's definitely a minefield out there, and at the end of the day, a lot of these strategies, people buy the personality instead of the strategy. I'm not dunking on anyone, but works for you, works for you. This is nice. This is nice. trade a 12.5 lot buys on GER40. Some indecisiveness in the market at the moment. We are respecting levels, which is always a good sign for us. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I mean, if we break here, we could have a really good push today. Depending on how strongly we break up. 1% great, 2 fantastic. Cleaning your spectacles. This is looking nice on the 15 so far. Another 6 minutes. Ooh. As soon as I said that. We don't want an engulfing hand there. Do not want an engulfing hand. Push to the moon. Come on. Yes, please. Yeah, deep tracement. Testing these lines. Let's get up. Get on up. 100 drawdown so far. Which is fine. Don't get worried about it. Ooh. 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 No, good. So we haven't had a break with a 30-minute candle above the levels. Could be a problem. Could be a problem. We get a break down with 30, we are should be in a better position. We need a push up now. We need a push up. We've got 3 minutes left. We need a break above the level. Because at the moment, that's straight back in this range. Straight back in this range. If we can go up, the likelihood, the more likely we can go down. So we need this to break above, go to the freaking moon, boys. Okay. One minute left of the 30-minute candle. Ooh. Where are the bulls? We need bulls to enter the market right now. Help a brother out. So, 7:30 UK time, approaching. Even closed. Not good, really. It's a engulfing bearish candle. Big wick at the bottom. Ish. Bit of a fake out by the looks of things. This. Not what we want. Not what we want. Couldn't push fast. We could not push fast. We've got another 30 minutes on the hour candle. That was such a better confirmation of where the move was going to be. I just like the look of this here. We've been trying to go down. We haven't broken past these wicks. Although it wasn't close above the range, it was a nice engulf candle. But who knows? Any time to tell. Only time will tell. I drew my points on the 1 hour, so I know it looks a bit messy here, but here it doesn't. Wow, a little bit. Oh, that's better. Just a nice flip bullish now. And good. Not 100% there with confidence at the moment. But you have to put yourself out there, implement strategies that you develop. If you don't do that, it will just be a theory. Or just be a theory. I don't know, what's the point? So the volume is not there. It is not there at the moment. Could come in at 8 o'clock UK time. Currently using MT5. Used to use MT4. Seems to work fine. Relatively familiar with how it works. For those of you who don't, you've got time frames up here. Little trendy lines here. Got some bit of a slug. I need to get some ambient tunes going for the next stream. Yeah. Meh. Let's go! Let's get a 5-minute. Ooh, concentration. Oh. Oh. Call! Call! Right. Full straight. Yeah, if we get a nice clues above here, with a 5, that'd be nice. As soon as I say that again, it goes down. It's just the way it goes. Start game. 150 drawdown. 150 drawdown. Not the worst in the world, but it's not going to pay the bills, boy. That's what we're doing. We need plane tickets. We need rent money. We need cash flash. We need all sorts of things. All sorts of things. Money, some new teeth maybe, new hairline, more suit jackets. You never have enough suit jackets. You're going to see a lot of suit jackets. All the colours of the rainbow, but not a rainbow one. No. We don't play like that. We do not play like that. Look at that. Didn't like that level. But the good thing is, if we break above it, so we break above that level, means the Bears have lost and the Bulls have won. Pain is temporary, glory is forever. Right, let's take slash BLB. Did you miss me? Oh, look at this! Green candle! slash, come back, and then win. I'll come back, it's going to start dumping. Come on, Ali, do something for me. Do something. You're not doing anything for me at the moment. I have got the ick. Robert De Niro effect. Regardless. That's just right. Wrong way. Oh, no, look at the bottom. Smoking's bad, vaping's bad, but we will have vices. Oh, God candle to the outside. Absolute God candle. Training is a lot of just waiting around. Waiting around. Ooh, scary stuff. You know, we could get a big wick all the way to this wick here. Probably wipe out a ton of people on the way down, and then on the way up again. You know, it's hitting these lines there, which is 50 and then 200. Moving average. So potentially, so it's a stop. So it's a modest stop. This is a very modest stop. You know, there's a part of me that wants to move it. But if it hits it, it's a lesson. It would be nice if it was below, because this is where I seem to be. When it does go into a downtrend, this is where I seem to be wicking off. So yeah, this is not ideal right now. But we respect trend line here, at least with the 5 minute, I'll stay in it. If we get breaks below, we'll cut it. We will cut. No full boarding, revenge trading, being a shallow. Shallow actually. Coffee is low. This is nasty. This is a nasty candle. What a day. What a day to start. Bullish for a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 days bullish. Start streaming. And then we get a horrendous looking candle like that. See, this is the moment of truth here. We could have a big wick here. If we get a big wick and don't get stopped out when we come back in, you'll know that. But instinct telling this is a bit of a fake out that's happened here. A bit of a sweep coming down. We'll see. We'll see. So this could be a sweep there to the downside. Come down a little bit, yeah, because we could. We'll risk 500. Still relatively low risk, but I'm a bit worried. So I'm going to try and grab this here. This is where people's stops are. Ooh. A little break here. It's not a good sign. Not a good sign. But we're still in range, so. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, no ideal conditions at all. Look guys, we're in the money. Shit on it. Oh no. Oh no. Daily is bearish. 4 hours is bearish. One hour, very bearish. One hour bearish. Well guys, first stream could be a dud on the winning front anyway. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah. Really not a fan when I stop this. Oh. We move. You feel the energy. You feel it. Feel it. If the 1 hour breaks below this point, forget about it. Moves down here, at least to this point, potentially this point. But 1, 2, 3 times respected. So, yeah. Let's see. We want a nice rejection there at this point. Like, ding, ding, ding. Oh, rejections. Good. Got a feeling this stops too tight. The stop is too tight. Let's see what. close, wicking off this area again. Come on, big rejections, push to the upside for the win. Celebrations around, break out the red panties, job's done. We're almost minus 0.5% at this stage. Hey, look, as long as we don't lose more than 1% a day, I'm pretty happy with that, and keep our win rate above 50%. We are happy. Could this be a big break to the downside or a liquidity sweep? We shall see. Regardless of whether we win or lose the trade, we'll see how it plays out and see what we can learn. The main point is we haven't over-risked, we haven't broken our rules. Still in the game. Still in the game. Yeah. Do or die right now. Do or die. Do or die. We're either gonna reject this level here or keep going down. This candle here is not a good sign. We need the hourly to close back up in this range at least. Reject, because there's just range here. What is this? Range. There's lots of people getting stopped out there. Potentially me in a minute as well. Could be a grab. To move up, we need to take it. But if we do get a break to the upside now, it's a very good sign. This is a very good sign of a strong day. But we're not there yet. Just about 2 minutes left of this candle here. Yeah, this is not panning out. But hey, we move. Yeah, look at that. Could be doing a tumbler. Sells below this level for me. But yeah, this is not ideal. There's a strong bearish level in the we could move to the 1% risk, but not. Maybe just take the L. Yeah, 5's closed. Bearish again. Very close to the start. No idea what's happening in the news right now. Still got 2 viewers. I wonder if they're real. Or it's just myself somehow. Ooh, rejection. Look at that. Look at that. Or it could just be a retest on this line. Look at this. Fake out. Could be another fake out. Who knows? Fake out to the outside. Fake out. Oh, this is a sign to look sexy. Look at that rejection. Oh, I like my fire, baby. Behave. See, this is why it's important. Higher time frame confirmations can save you. Back, close back in range. Close back in range on the 5 minutes. Look at this. Sweep. Look at this sweep there. Gonna be. Okay, time. This could be a move. Nice move now. Free space. Get back in there. Get back in there. No, golden candle on the 5 minute. Push back up to the range. Move higher. That is what we want. Risk is relatively low, well below 1%. This is where I'm hoping volume will come in. Could just be a retest. Could just be a retest. I realise I'm contradicting myself right now quite a lot. Yeah, we'll see. 2 minute. This is a little like 1 hour. It's not. It's just trying to get back into this range. Doesn't seem like it wants to close below, which is a good thing for us. Which is a good thing for us. Yeah, this could be good for us. Could be good for us. Look at the axis. You see? There's a method to the madness. If we draw down, we've moved away from our stop. The current candle was rejected, pushed down. New 1 hour candle was about to start. Tested those of Friday. Oh no, the 1 hour candle is starting, and this look Who's going to win? We need breaks above now. We need breaks above the current candle. Break. We need to reject and then move up. Look at this. This is low volume, people. This is the volume time. And we move with my market, or we get out. Come on. There we go. Pump it. Pump. Go. Come on. No. Keep going. Keep going, baby. Come on. This is where it gets exciting. This is where it gets exciting. Look at that. Loads of people getting sweat down here. We need this candle. We have gone from bearish to bullish within an hour. Look at this. Fake caps on the upside. Fake caps down the side. Sweets. Look at that. Back in profit. Who would have thought? 5 minutes ago. Wild. But we're not out of the muddy waters yet. And anything can happen. Two minutes until the first fight again. Look at that. Straight back into range. Are we going to push back above where we were? Who knows? But the momentum is building bullish right now. It isn't going to be enough. It isn't going to be enough. So all the numbers are in pounds, by the way. I'm in the UK, work pounds in my life. $100,000 doesn't sound nice, but £7,000 is $100,000. So we have a nice break above this level here, where we previously were. Get out of this horrible range. Look at this. Fake out. And now, hopefully this will be the real move in our direction. Hopefully, look at that. Look at it. Really. Looks like the sun's coming up right as well. Green candles of sunshine. Coconut candles. Show me your coconut. £100 in the green at the moment. Strong with this candle right now. Strong. The force is strong with this candle. Look at it. We have pinging. How's that 5 minute looking? How's that 5 minute looking? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And up. Keep going. Keep going. So we had a 5 minute break up this range. So hopefully you can continue to push up now. wait for the confirmation on 15, breaks above. The market could just blend with us. That's so often. There's only a few people in the world that really know what's going on. I am not one of them. That's for sure. That's for sure. Look at the spike here in. This is great. The volume doubling on now. It's in our direction. So far. Good. Could have a nice run today. Could have a nice run today. If we get breaks up here, the next question will be, where are we taking our profits? Will we take 1%? 0.5%? Go for 2%. 2% would be lovely. 2% would be lovely. We get breaks up here, and our position was taken out here. It's in a very good position. It was rejected so many times up here. So if we break above, and this is held, look, break all the way down here. Hold on to your butts. That's great. SL Jackson says. Or Samuel. Five minute come down, retest, and push up. That's what we want. That's what we want. Oh, what a roller coaster. First stream. In drawdown. In profit. In drawdown. Back in profit. Now we're at break even. Who knows what's going to happen? Exciting stuff. Exciting stuff. Like, share, subscribe. That's what people say. Coconuts and candles across all platforms, except X, which is. X is coconuts, candles. No hand. Everything else. Coconuts and candles. Instagram. Facebook. Twitch. YouTube. Rumble. We're talking Rumble. May as well go live across everything you can. Still 2 viewers. Hard to believe. All this excitement going on. Look at this. This is looking lovely. Additional trade down there would mean money. But that's fine. Keep your risk low. Don't want to look like a fool. So the thing about streaming keeps you accountable for what you're saying. Because you have voices in your head. You can just a bit more risk. Deviate. Just a little bit. Start doing that. Where does it stop? Stop past your stop loss. Because you keep moving it. Stops with low count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. However many. You also stick to the rules. Stick to the rules. Make the rules, keep the rules. Everyone's happy. I got plenty to buy. I'm happy to have this not running out. still. This is good. This is good. I'm happy. I am happy. Look how close we came. We came close. All these people down there. But their stop loss is just below. And see I did move it slightly down. I did move it slightly down. And thank goodness I did. Otherwise, like all these people there, that's the stop losses here. Still around here. Goodbye. Do not pass go. Do not collect TP. Oh, look at that. Volume! Oh! Just break highs. We are moving up to yesterday's all-time high. Who would have thought it? Oh yeah, me. About an hour ago. That's right. It's not good to glow. This is the financial markets. Anything can happen. And most people lose. 90% of people lose. That's a crazy number. Crazy number. But some people say the 80-20 rule. More on the 9-10 rule. For businesses, salespeople, top 10% make 90% money for the company. The rest of them are supported by top earners. Same in the markets. Not everyone can be exceptional. I am in no way exceptional with trading. You don't need to be. Just need to be a little bit above average. And that's all to do with mindset, consistency, sticking to the script. The market's not there to take my money. You will be the one. The author of your own demise when it comes to trading. Over-leveraging, over-risking. You can have some absolutely killer days doing that. But over time, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. What's happened to our hourly candle is this. So, hourly candle, going to tap these highs. Definitely. We're going to look for continuation. It's our first dream. Let's stay in it. Let's stay in it for another hourly candle. After this, could be a good time to take profits. If we break above these highs here, it's starting to look like that's going to happen. It's starting to look that way. That's like raising to 400 points. We can get that above there. 1%. Easy. This is a nice breakout. Respect. Look at that. Respect. Respect the line. Boy, respect the line. You need some good lines on the chart. When
So we're fishing for Friday's highs right now. So it's like 15-minute, good 15-minute close. And hopefully we smash through Friday's highs and continue on to uncharted territory. Because it's never been this high. So there's nothing to look at. For reference, look at that wasteland. Look at this. The world is in turmoil and stocks are booming. I think it's partly due to people's currencies being so devalued. Big money, smart money, is looking to park in companies instead of holding on to cash. And so we see gold, silver, most commodities going through the roof because these countries just print money. And you end up like Venezuela, Trump comes knocking on the president's door 2 in the morning. Based. So we're about to hit 0.5% on the profits at the moment. But we're not taking it. We're going to go 1% a day. With a 12.5 lot, nuts. That's good. We like that. We like that. No more risk. No more risk. It might get light again later, having a look at the US 100, but unless it's a really nice setup there. Don't lose the winners. Holding on to what you've got, very important. Very important. Just because we're up 1% doesn't mean we've got an extra 1% risk. Keep your risk the same. I think realistically, if you have your own capital, you can risk a bit more because you don't have to stay within the parameters of whatever funding account you've got. But funding accounts are good because they teach you just discipline. These are the rules. By them, you get rewarded. Very simple. Very simple. We like it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it sweet. So the next, stick to the date now, and we don't want a break back down in the range on the day. We have to close back in the range. We're going to have to go test spot again. We don't want to do that. We need momentum to go higher. But you can see that we've tried reaching yesterday's highs, Friday's highs. I'm a little uncomfortable with the trade right now. But I can change by 5 minutes. You can change in a minute. Some idiot tweeted something somewhere. So much market manipulation that goes on these days. Insider trading, it is slimy out of that. It is slimy. Rejections again now. More volume. Just need the Bulls to win. I'm bullish today. I am bullish today. Should have worn my green jacket for the bullish day. Whoa. you may make all-time highs on the GER40, especially from what I've seen. The pump higher can be quite substantial. The investment confidence is higher. It's uncharted ground right now. It's an exciting time to trade. Uncharted waters. Yeah, I like what I'm saying. BLB. Some of that red it's not lean, it's a great British fruit drink. 1988, I believe. Good year. Oh yes. Oh yes. Just need these levels of that range to hold. Hold the line! Hold the line, boy. There's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. Volume spiking. Monday morning. Monday could be an indicator about how weeks go. Another massive order this week would be. Look at this. This is. We have another one of these this week. One of these candles. Green across the board, baby. Green across the board. So hopefully now it's just creating support. 15, that will continue. Back to the 30. Back to the 30. Go to the 30. To two viewers across platforms. I'll be streaming again tomorrow morning. Hopefully you're looking for the same as ourselves. Potentially we'll have a look later at US 100. But if you go up here, with a marathon suit, America's bullish, but there's tensions. I think because of the world tensions at the moment, huge military stocks, tech stocks, just upped the defence spending by, I think it was the GDP of most countries, just on defence. Over $1.4 trillion. Crazy numbers. Crazy numbers. Those are not rookie numbers. They're not being pushed there. But that spending is because companies goes into the market. So could be a fantastic opportunity. Bigger movie references. Big movie references. Pineapple Express, that last one. 2008. All down from there. So, indication as of 20 minutes past the hour, they're pushing strong, looking bold. I've been emboldened to continue with the trade. Did get it a bit early, but that was in anticipation for a earlier push. Almost resulted in a stop. Trade taken over here. Could have been great, even here. There's a big objection on the day. Take trade here. No. There's nothing to back our eyes at. It's all extra profit. It's all extra profit. That's why we're in business then. Games! Not games in the gym. Not quite yet. I hate the gym. How does it feel? But not on this. What's happening on 15? Could be a retest. With 10 seconds left of the next candle, we need it to close above that range, which will be the first time in 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So we've got to close above the range. It's definitely not certain, but it's a good indicator. Better indicator would be the 1 hour close above the range. An even better indicator would be a 4 hour close engulfing candle here. Even better than that, above the Friday's high. Welcome to the chat room. Uh-oh. Getting nervous now. Seeing red. Could this be the actual move now? I'm going to get crushed. Just like that. What's happening? Hi. Sorry. Hi. Hello. Just range. Hate it. Respecting the line to a degree. Whip down to when I see. Go down a bit. Does it respect? tested the high of Friday. You've got close, but no cigar. It's Friday. The 9th. I'm so shit with dates. So the 9th was Friday. Yeah. Back down to 15 minutes. Just make sure we stay grounded. Using what's this? Streamlabs to do the stream. First ever stream for anything. I hope it's working. It says there's 2 viewers. I don't know if it's just on one platform or all of them. Doesn't seem like chat is connected. I'm supposed to have a chat box up. I haven't seen it. Maybe no one's talking. Maybe no one's talking. Right. Five. Yes. Still expecting the support that's broken previously. This is always Wix. Monumental those. Trading gods. We want a push past the all-time high from Friday, and that is an all-time high. It's not just weekly, monthly, ever in Germany's stock market history. So can it be done, or will it crash? This green baby, yeah, green. Just wait for like some massive headphones just to hit that buy button. Be like Musk up in his mole. Be like Musk. To the moon, to Mars, baby. So let's retest the areas where we entered. All the way over here though. So we've been on a journey. We've been on a journey today. We've been on a journey. Dust the house. disgusting.
Come on, nice pop to the upside. Look at that. It's raining outside. It's one doing it. If it's raining, it better be warm. Out in Thailand, it will be pissing with rain, but it will still be 25, 30 degrees, so it doesn't matter. Until you get the air free stuff. But we're training to Thailand. We need to do it. I've had enough of this place being the UK. Let's see. Not a fan anymore. Used to be a great empire. Great empire. It's like Great Britain. Make great again, some people say. Controversial. Some would say it was very great. Anyway, I digress. Strong candles. That's all we care about. We get nice breakaways. We'll move to stop. But I kind of want to see how this plays out. Yeah, definitely look at that entry. We can done a bit of that. Time to die, I gotta make some money. Right down. Just the retest, just the retest. Trust the plan. Trust the plan. Socials. On. Sometimes social tracings can be deep as unexpected. Giggity. But you know, just trying to get cold feet. Just easy said undone. Easy said undone. Hovering around our entry. Tells us something. Something. Could have had a better entry. Down at the bottom of the range. Down at the bottom of the range. This candle there. Bang. Right. Needs this 15 close above range. And still looking good.
fake out to the upside, fake out to the downside, back on the upside. How will we get all the way up? That's what Factory said. Fat as the Jews. I wish they taught us this in school. Indecisive candle. Indecisive candle. But still restoring some sort of support. So far. One and a half minutes left in 15 candle. The biggest has to be how the candle closes. We need it above this range. We need it above this range. Look at that. Nice pop. We need the candle to close above this range here. If we've got a chance of pushing to new all-time highs. That's all-time highs. Which was made on Friday. The 9th. Looking good. Still looking good. Be nice if this candle goes close above the last two. Even better confirmations. Confirmation. Technical analysis. All these words. What does it all mean, Basil? In the green, 140 up. Still looking bullish. Still looking bullish. Future sales today. I'm sorry. They're not working out at the moment. The market seems to be going high. Fight the market. With the market. It's wake. You know the market makers. Mention the ship. The trail behind. Just got to get in that slipstream. Could move the stock up, but I'm committed at the moment. I am committed. Looking for 1% today. If I get cold feet, I'll take 0.5%. But 1%, new account, new stream, new channel. What a way to go. Be the round robin. Showing up to a switch. Twitch. I got Twitch. Ooh. That's not me, no. Coconuts. And candles. Woohoo! Here we go. One viewer on Twitch. It's working.
Fantastic.
Got a viewer. Hello. Hello. Greetings wherever you are in the world. Hope this gives me so far. Whatever time is there in written. The rest of my day after the stream until 2:30 will be probably working out how to make clips and videos. Not viral infection. To be confused by viral infection. Internet viral. I'm out here trying to catch a venereal disease. Not today anyway. Be careful of that Thailand. Sassy. 2 hours, 15 minutes into the stream. Some people are watching. When I say some, it's 2. But thank you to those 2. My first ever viewers, and I'm eternally grateful. And if we get a win, hopefully they'll be back. If we lose, hopefully they'll be back again. To see all these again. Some people get off and people losing. Some get off and people winning. I want to be a winner. I want to be a winner. Shame. Right. Time is. Coming up to the next hour and close. In the next 10 minutes, a very important one. We want to stay out of this big range that we've had for a long time now. Visit the all-time highs. Here are coconuts and candles. All-time highs on coconuts and candles. It's funny people on an animated voice for streaming, radio, TV, terrestrial vision. I'm a bit nuts. Just absolutely rambling madman, if I'm honest. But look at this. This is nice. Yes. Isn't this nice? On a Monday morning. But usually I just talk to myself. But at least now I've got 2 viewers to talk to. Let's go. We need that to close above. What a bummer if it doesn't. What a bummer. British saying, what a bummer. Don't read too far into it. It is what it is. If you're in the chat and you can hear me, please type a message and try and send it to me in the chat. I have no idea how this works. I want to see if a comment comes up. Will a comment come up? I don't know. So animated emotes can be disabled. Okay.
Which requires additional permissions to send messages. Click here to grant permissions. Would terrified they can read them on and off if I do. So I'll work it out. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. The dog's not worried, he's fast asleep. That's what he looks like. Handsome boy. He's a very handsome boy. Handsome man, as they say in Thailand. Oh, what a place. Apparently I'm a handsome man out there. Fantastic. Those are my kind of people. Call me handsome, you have me. That's you have my attention. Floating around currently the trade open, which we've gone away from and come back to several times, and hopefully we'll move away from it big time, but in the right direction. In the right direction. So sure, do a little. Maybe this is good. Maybe this is good. Ooh, those lines, not the white ones. Red lines here. Stay away from white lines. Look at that. So for you liners out there. Look at the confirmations. Bullish 1 hour candle close. Forget this. Bullish 1 hour candle close. Above the range, which is held for some time. Appreciating the support and the current trend up. And breaking this one. Yeah. I mean, what do you want in life? But anything can happen. Anything can happen. But in all of probability, it's looking good for us. It's looking good for us right now. But shoo. So hopefully this close above the line, just doing a bit of foreshadowing here. The bullish sentiment in the markets will be confirmed, and come on, big boys, get cash in there. Pump that shit. And we're looking for a profit of 700 pounds, which is one per cent, and then we are done with GER40 for the day. Take it and right. Not going to leave a run it today. I didn't know you needed this trade to run up. So we'll get, or we'll lose. But definitely how it's looking at the moment. Three and a half minutes left of this one candle, and this is where it's make or break. It may make or break people. Just want to see some more volume dumped in, like one of these. Gonna need the volume to get through the highway and stay there. That is the key. You can hit a level, but it doesn't stay
roundabouts. Swing round the beasts. Some more red drag. Yummy. Jackie riding like slightly. Yeah. Okay. Currently 200 up right now. Modest 12.5 lot on GER40. Very modest. It's a great move so far. I mean, taking half percent. But we're going to ride it out today. We're going to ride it out today. And if we don't win, we can look back and say, well, should have done this, should have done that. That'll be a whole other conversation. Something we'll come out about another time. Okay, look at this. This is looking good. So we're half percent up already. On some days you see me take profit at 0.5%. But today, as the first stream, we're going for the 1%. We're going for the 1%. If I take my normal 25 lot, we would have got 1% right there, bang. Just hit it. This is good. This is good. This is lovely. This is what we love to see. We love to see it. We love to see it. Isn't it great when things work out? Momentum is definitely bullish right now. Let's have a look at you. I used to trade back in the day on the 30 minute. I would have traded this break structure here and put stops below with higher lots. But that's past life. See what happens now. We haven't rejected the top. Not enough momentum to go through right yet. Still a profit. Could go down for a big retest. Line regroup 1 hour. Or not. Keep getting just a little retracement and then some hunch through here. Right in the kisser. Right in the kisser. Still made a new all-time high. Very close. But it's definitely seeking. All-time highs. New all-time highs on GER40. GER40. Oh, this is push like. This push like people. So we are now going to try and get a TP of 700, which is right here. So that's our target, right here. Bam. Right there. That's our target. That 1%. 1%. Times it. So if we get 5 minute close of the line. Good beginning indicator. Good. Because we could, like there is a chance here that we're not able to break and stay above, which in that case often results in toppling down. But for now, we just made all-time highs on Germany 40, which is a collection of German top 40 stocks. Yes. Indicators good. You mean push above and stay there. With 5 minutes would be nice. Push, baby, push. Look at that. Right. 1 minute. We need that candle to close above that red line up top. This candle closes above here, and then we need. Oh, look at this! We're racing up. Momentum is building. Momentum is building. Fantastic. All time highs today. We're making history. What's 5 minutes saying? 5 minutes is saying 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and close. Let's go. 200 pounds away from our take profit for the day. Well in green at this point. Well in green at this point. We need this momentum to keep going. Give us some money. Come on. Money. Yeah. Come on. We need that. Stay on the 15 minutes. All time have been broken. Set new records, people. Yes. We need a nice 15-minute close. Confirmation. Confirmations. Above the line, please. Everybody, above the line. If you're a bull, get involved. This is the push I need. Will we get there? That is the question. £435 in green. For the day. Far. momentum is pushing to the upside, and that's what we want. We want momentum. Follow the market. Do not fight the market. Follow the market. Follow the market. Excuse me. Oh, look at that. We've got two followers on TikTok now. Wow. Instagram. We have 186. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Uh-oh. Below the line. We above the line. Above the line, please. Any everybody escape of the line. Excuse me. I just check some very important information. It's very important. So important. Okay, that's enough. Rejection. Right. No, we don't want this. Right. Slash time. Sorry to leave it so times. Drink too much coffee. Hey. What have I missed? Not a great deal. Things. I'm liking kick. Uh-oh. Look at this. Uh-oh. Let's go. What's happening? Rejections. Good. Hopefully just a retest. Just a retest of the level we just broke out of. Which will be rejected. I retract your notion, sir. I retract your notion. Oh, here we go. Okay. Alive and kick as well. Still padding out. Just need the trades to work now. Need the trades to work. Come on. Reject. Push. Oh. Right. Interesting situation going on there. So 15-minute candle's got about 3-4 minutes left. And we've gone back below Friday's high after making a new all-time high. In the ideal world, we need that to break above and stay above. It stays above. Take profit. up there, £700. 700 big ones will be. But we'll see. It's trying. It's definitely trying. Again, there'll be more confidence in the market if it breaks above, stays above. So we've had confirmation on 5 minute. So now we're looking for confirmation on the 15 minute. Further confirmation will be 30 minute. Hopefully we won't need that because we want to just finger blast right to the take profit. Yeah. Yes. Sorry, it's my vulgar language. You're going to be getting a lot of that as we see the streams. My humour can be Come on, baby. Need a new chair. Need some new teeth. Need a plane ticket. Help me out. 1.5 minutes close of the 15 minute candle. 15 minute candle. Closes above, please. Thank you. Still £400 up. You know. This is why traders better. The momentum. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't. Yeah. Break above. It's really trying. It's really trying. A lot of times in the last few seconds, it'll pop down. These are when the big boy betters jump in, and it's like a swanger. How deep are your pockets, mate? So far, enjoying the stream. 2 hours 43 minutes in. 2 hours and 43 minutes. Seem to have same viewers. Oh, look at that. Close. It's above. It's not much, but it's above. So next information, we're going to on 30 minutes. So we've had a 15 minute. Very sheepish. Can't even say it. Sheepishly close above and above these levels here too. Big wick to the high side. But we shall see on the 30 what happens. As you can see, volume. Big push here. Okay, push. Hopefully it's dying out because we need a big push to stay above this level. What we don't want to happen is a go ding, and then shut a break because I can't get up. You need to get up and you need to stay up. Viagra for men. So planning my journey, starting one year move to Thailand, seeing as I've raised the number that I've got in my head, I can comfortably move out there. You're looking at about £700,000 a month in rent for a fabulous beachfront property, which of course I'm lying out at the moment. So we'll be doing that. And follow me on the journey, and in a few months I won't be in this room. Hopefully we'll see lots of windows, sunshine, beaches, the sea, local inhabitants. You know what I mean? It is coconuts and candles. It's not all about candles. It's about coconuts. Yes, it is a window. You haven't done that now. It's going to be a lifestyle and trading. Not just trading. Because that can be boring. He says after sitting here for almost 3 hours. See what Five's doing. Ooh. Yeah, this. So we're still about 5% up right now. Which is good news. Good news. But it's been all over the place down here today. Look at this. Spike up, spike down. That's a massive move. Look at this. That's what we were playing with today. Ouch. People lost their shirts down here. Straight off their backs. Straight off their backs. Wounded. Couple of burn counts maybe. Managed our risk. What's our risk looking like? £300 less than current risk. £300. Tend to move up. Gonna move the risk. I'm probably gonna move to break even. We don't win this trade. What am I talking about? No. Get breaks above. And a continuation. You will set to break even. But profit is target. We are. Come on. Get up there, boy. This is actually strange sitting in. But it's going to have to be some sort of. Look at this. Range. The range on it. This is what's been happening. Look. Range. Five saying. Ooh, shooting star. Oh, shoot, boy. This is a shooting star coming. Break it up there, please. Break it up there, please. I just realised trading this session streaming probably not the best time. Probably not the best time. But you know, everybody loves the New York session. But hey, maybe we'll just have a look at it. Only if. It's a very good opportunity to trade. But as it stands at the moment, we are looking good here. Just as we are. Coming up to 9:30 UK time. We're looking for a nice close on the 30-minute above this level. This level. We got a little one with 15 minute and with 5 minute. But moving stops to break even. Pretty much break even. So now, this is what it's all about. I was either right or I was wrong. But now because of the position we're in, if I was wrong, we're not losing anything. But if I'm right, and we go to where I want to go, which is here, there was no risk. The risk is gone now. The risk is gone. So now it's stress-free trading. We either break above here, stay above here, hit the take profit, or we can't get through here, we come down. We come down. But it doesn't matter if we come down now. It just means we haven't won anything, but more importantly, we haven't lost anything. You don't want to be a loser. It's not a good strategy. Short term, long term. In life trading, whatever it is. Be a loser, man. Fucking cornhole. But looking here, we're not pushing above. The volume has died out a bit. We're getting rejections now. So we'll see. Break. Can't put a little level here. We need to respect that as well. Break below that. We haven't break below that. It's not good. It's not good, sir. And if we break below that, we can't get through here. What we're gonna do? We're gonna take 5%. Chicken out. I might chicken out. I might chicken out. How long have we got? We've got just over 5 minutes for this 30-minute candle push higher. I think we're good. Those last words for disaster. Uh-oh, flipping bearish now. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. So what could be happening? Because we broke above. This could be the retest to continue forward. If that's the case, we're going to get stopped out. However, we could take another trade. Man. But in all honesty, you know, we've made a high. Don't even know what I'm talking about. With this area here. This doesn't wick up. Doesn't shrink up. Back off here. Could come down for this test. If that happens, we lose our fares, but we're not going to lose anything else. Another line into the next on the feed. So I'm on the state. come on, we need that strip back up. And say no to the sellers. Not today. Not today, sellers. That's what it's doing. That's what it looks like it's doing. Not today, sellers. Nice try. Nice try. Almost got me. Almost got me. Not today. Not today. Just an example. Just an example. We're below on 30's not good. The 1 hour is bearish. I'm closing it out. Closing it out. Look what's happened previously. See that? And this. We've got 40 seconds. You need that. You need a push up. There's no push up. Closing out with 200 pounds. This is going to be a retest. You might have enough opportunity to get into the retest. We'll see. What's the sentiment? See, we are working out this area here. See? Get up in there. Get. Oh no. Very good. Okay. 5 minutes bullish. But we've got it there. Screw it. Stay in. No fucking leave it. Don't fucking leave it. That makes me stay in this projection here. Slight confirmation in 15. Shooting star. That last candle, making support continue up. Nice. We go. Let's go. Good boy. Let's need a nice run up here. Done for the day. Well, done for the morning session. Done for the morning session. Oh no! Look at that. So stressful. It's not. We are not at risk at the moment. We are at break-even, which means we're not losing. Dealers. Ultimately, 1 hour is king. It's king. So. If we hit here, much higher can it go? It's not up to me to decide. Educate, yes. Educate, yes. We just need to take our cream off the top. Put a piece of cream. Some back in here. Try and respect that right. Me rumbling, just past 3 hour mark on my first ever stream, and candles, coconuts, and candles, you can see on the chart. We play candles, we can play with coconuts. Make of that statement will, then it's a fact. Other days has been a solid shooting in the right direction, up. Today's been staggered, maybe losing steam with dailies. Losing steam daily, struggling to get past where every other day we were just apart from this day. So this is the beginning of the year. That's last week. Boom. More retracement here. Retracement here. And struggling to lose steam. You see these candles smaller daily. In the 4 hours, that's very strange. It's very strange, yeah. No. We'll see. Early days. It's enough. You've been out twice. Back in your bed. How deep is your read test? Maybe just about find out. Six minutes in the new candle. I've got a feeling. Like the 30 close above, but I think rejection. Feeling gonna. I don't want to lose anything. Don't want to lose anything. I discovered that Gemini, Google's AI, particularly good at accessing data. You can ask a lot of things with the right prompts. Did help me come to conclusions that I have confirmed a few things. Set straight a few other things. We'll see. You don't want this. Don't want dolphins break any loads. Keep going higher. This like kind of like this is usually good because that staying in there, but in me. So I don't know. The mental dive break even. We have a win. We don't lose. We just don't win. We just break even. Break. The more you can break even, the less you lose. Nice little pound 50 by things. We can break highs in this candle. We have 5% as trade right now. 5%. Usually when the high closes above the highs, you get a nice push. I just don't think the confirmations aren't there for the big boys yet. It's just not there. Once the eye, you'll see a move. If it doesn't happen, there'll be a move down. Betting all of today on last week. Last week's pattern basically. Just being absolute storm for the balls. Absolute storm. Yeah. Just struggling to get above this level. Stay there. Go beyond. Be more. But it's 5% up on because of this little indecision at the top here. If it was the first stream, I'd probably closed out 0.5%, which is good. And then real monetary terms, £350 is more than a lot of people earn in a day. So if you do that, 0.5%, 5 days a week on average for a month. Fantastic money. Life changing. Which is the whole point. That's what we're working towards. We're working towards. Doing this shits and giggles, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So we've moved past 15 minutes candle. Didn't go lower. The previous just picking up on some of these signs. Just over time. It's part of the game. In the hour, like you said, if the hour closes above yesterday's time highs, Friday's time high, then it's very likely that we'll push high. How high? I don't know. Maybe my this might be a bit too confident. Folds with my usual 5 lot. Practice account. We've already been way past our TP. But 12.55 might be the number for sensible trading on GER40. Oh look, we have a ping out on Twitch, I believe. Hello. Hopefully you're about to catch a fantastic move straight into our TP. Currently stops at break even. The GER40 is struggling to break above and stay above. That might be changing. Might be £500 in the bag. It's looking good. It's looking good. I just want to see some big institutional pushes. I want someone to close up here. Looking for 1%. That's it. Not looking for glory. Just a bit of cream off the top. Cream off the top. Need a new chair, plane tickets. Need new teeth. And the hairline struggling. Thank you to viewers. That was that stream. Oh, look at that. Chat thing come up. Wow, what's this? Oh, look at that. Look at this. Chat box is working. Chat box is working. Look at this. Unbelievable. Hey now. Best viewers. Come on, baby. Give me a close. 15 minute candle. What are we doing? Close above there, please. Thank you very much. There we go. Come on. I feel confidence in the market to keep going. Or I think affirmations. We got in. Good time. We got in time. However, it was a bit rocky on the way up. We got there nonetheless. Stop break even. Only way is up. What can go wrong? Dog's looking like he needs a walk. Stern. My mate. Almost there, buddy. Just need Mr. JP Morgan to step on the gas a little bit. Black rock or those faceless corporations. Make it move. And that's peasants who collect the chaff. Get. Let's see a break the last 30 minutes. Be fantastic. Need some don't like these candles slowing down. We need a bit of a pocket rocket right now. Tensions are high. Approaching TP. 450 in the green so far. First stream. No candles. We are lit. Candles are lit, baby. Candles are lit. All streaming £5 camera from a second shop. Would you believe it? No microphone, just whatever that shit is. So all you need. I think the Streamlabs is like £20 a month or something. 25 a push. Hopefully we got back in place. We can make some clips. We can try and pump some of those out and we can get some more viewers. This green candle is bigger than the previous green candle. today. We need to push past it. We need to push past. There will be a lot of maybe short orders at that level. But take him out. Team green today. We are team green. Team green. Rejection. Look at that. How long have we got? Eyes really bad. 11 minutes on the third candle. How long, Jack? Stay with it. 5 a.m. today. 3 cups of coffee. It's a red drink. No food. Nicotine. Charts. Streaming. Will we hit our 1% target on our first stream? Does the new strategy work? Or is it a fugazi? Who knows? Tune in next time. See what's on coconuts and candles. Thank you for watching. But Tism is strong with this one. Let me train the boy. I'm untrainable. I'm untamable. Respect. Put some respect on my name. Birdman. Epic in the day. Respect it. Come on, Wall Street. Come on, market makers. Make my day. Make my day. Dang it. Might not be the one. Might not be the day. Put faith in me. Who said that? Was it Voldemort? Come on, where is the volume? So confident last week. Give it to me. Give it to me. Volume, please. Up. Ooh. See what happens. See what happens. I asked for volume, not that direction. Ooh. Doesn't want to get above that level. Doesn't want to get there. Come on. Look at that. Stuck. They're stuck. Move. What's wrong with you? some box opened up there. Chat box. Didn't do with the chat box. Something to do with the chat box. Come on. What is the point of view? What is the point of view? Shoo. Up. We want the W. Yes. Look. No more. Just teasing me now. Just teasing me. How close we are. How close we are. All time highs. Come on. Have some confidence in yourself. Irregardless of your shortcuts. Right. 5 minute candle. What happened? Rejection of this level. Good. Excellent. Do you realise all over the place? Which is fine. No. How dare you? Right. I'm getting the itch to close the trade at 5%. Getting the itch. I'm getting the itch. It's £350. Right. Moving stops. Oh. Gotta be careful there. That'll be embarrassing. Okay. Right. Moving stops into profit. Not much profit, but it's something. It's something. Something that's better than nothing, and it's way better fucking losing. So no matter what happens now, it doesn't go my way. We're still winning. We're still taking £150 out the market. Just like that. Risk management. Say it with me now. Risk management. Don't be afraid of it. It's not a bad word. 3 minutes till the hourly close. We want it to close above here. We close above here, good. But it does seem like shit is losing steam. How it appears to me right now. Which may cause a retest of this level here after the breakout. Potentially higher, but we don't know wait around for that. So we're 5% out now. Two and a bit minutes. Three hours, 26 minutes into the first dream ever on Coconut Candles. What a wild ride. TP in sight. Above breaking stop loss now. Close down here. Previously. Not today. Today we're winners. Winners already. momentum now. Push us up to our level. Here.
£700
is the target. 1% a day keeps the doctor away. But we are reacting off the top again. It's really trying to break high. Not break high. For whatever reason, 30 seconds until the candle closes. 30 seconds until the candle closes. Okay. Currently at 5%. When guaranteed to profit a day of 150. Which is not much at all, but it's 2%. Hopefully volume here. What's happening? So the new candle didn't break above. Okay. So I'm actually going to be jumping out. We are out. We are out. First trade of stream. First stream ever. Candles. It's a win of 0.5% on the £1,000 FTMO account. Managed the risk well. Got to where we need to go. 1% was fantastic, but we managed the risk. You got out. I'm done now. I'm hungry, and I want to take the dog for a walk. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you potentially tomorrow morning. I'll be streaming again. GER40, as we say, and I'm gonna have a look at the charts for the US 100.